What's up everyone, the Panda Photographer here, and today I want to bring you a product that I was not expecting to buy, but I needed it and it is a good deal. I got two of these for 60 bucks, and these are the Viltrox RB08 LED lights. Now it looks like the Aperture M9 or M7 LED lights with a thin profile, and it is also magnetic as well. Now, here are the LED strips that you can see, and it's magnetic as well. But one thing about this is that the aperture costs almost $100, and this one costs about $30. So it was a good steal. I did a little bit of research because I did have the aperture in my wish box. I did want to buy that one, actually two of them, but until I saw one of these and I heard this is actually much brighter than the aperture, and I do have the aperture, and I also have the aperture H9198C, and whoa, this thing is bright. Now I purchased two of these, keep that in mind, but one of these, which I'm holding in my hand right now, does not work, so I have to send this one back and try to get a replacement. But one is actually being used right now as a key light. As you can see, I have it at 50% power. I also have a newer what is that, CN160 LED, and then I got the Aperture H198C right back of me as a hair light, and then I got a normal house lamp that's brighten up as like a fourth light, just give some separation here. But other than that, it is built pretty well for 30 bucks, and it does have a little bit of weight to it. Yes, the plastic outside is plastic. It does come with a LED display that tells you the percentile of your battery. You can change Kelvin temperature, and that's pretty damn good for $30. Now, this may not be $30 at the moment, at this time of this video. The price may vary based on demand, but for 30 bucks that I purchased with my own money, this is well worth it, because I am desperate of some hair lights, some backlights, and key lights. I can use these with gels. I can probably use this with a whole bunch of other camera equipment for my future videography or for my YouTube content. But if you are shopping for something small, portable, thin, you can put it anywhere: your backpack, your laptop backpack, your laptop bag, your purse, because pocket. This is the LED light that you should purchase. Now, I am not sponsored by Viltrox. I purchased this with my own money, so just keep it real, 100%. But with that said, everyone, if you like the content so far, please let me know down in the description below. What do you think about this? Would you spend $30 on this? Would you take a risk spending 30 bucks and see what kind of bang for your buck you get? If you want to make a comparison video, please let me know, guys. If you want to see the aperture versus the Viltrox, please let me know down in the comments below. It really does help me out. But with that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, repeat. I'm the Panda Photographer. See you guys in the next video. That was good.